Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you are having a good or had a great weekend. Uh, Here are the notes because, like I said, I wasn't going to forget. It's going to be on page 24 of your notebook, and it's going to be on what's called domain and range of discrete functions. Okay, we'll talk about what that means in a little bit. Okay, but basically, okay, you know the drill. Here's your goal. Okay, that after today, you will be able to identify. Why is my pen not working? Oh, there it goes. You will be able to identify the domain and range of a discrete data set. Okay, that is your goal. That after today, you'll be able to do that. A couple definitions for you. Okay, the domain is all of the x values in a data set. The range is all of the y values in the data set. Okay, so along with the word independent, remember you now have domain. Okay, and the range, that would be your dependent. Okay, that's your x, that's your y. Okay, all of those words kind of go together. So if I say y, you should be thinking dependent, you should be thinking range. If I say domain, you should be thinking independent, you should be thinking x. Okay, next slide. Okay, basically tables and mappings, kind of the exact same thing. This, whoa, why isn't it working? There we go. This is your domain. So you would say, okay, that your domain is -3, -9, 3, 9. Oops, not like that. Like that. You would say then the range is -10, -6, -2, and +2. All I did is I listed the x's and the y's like that. Okay, a mapping, exact same thing. Okay, you would say that the domain is those guys, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the range is -2, 1, 2, 4. Okay, there's the range. Easy enough. Now we get a little bit trickier when we look at graphs and ordered pairs, but we kind of treat them the same way. Okay, first what I'm going to do is on this graph right here with all of these ordered pairs, I am going to list the coordinates just because it's going to make my life easier. So A, if we see, is 2, 4. B is 2, 1. C is 5, 3. Let's put some parentheses around that. D is 4, 2. And E is, oops, not 0, 5, 0. Now, when I list the domain, same thing. I'm just going to say domain. Okay, and before I pick them all, I'm going to look at what my x's are. These are my x's. These are my x's. So I'm going to say the domain is 2, 4, and 5. Now, before you start freaking out and say, well, there's 5 points, why did you only write 3 numbers? I don't have to write the repeats. It was a 2 and a 2, so I don't have to write the 2's twice. I can just say the 2 once. Okay, same thing with the 4. It's only there once, but the 5 is there twice. I only have to say it once. Now, when I look at my range, same thing. I look at the y's, here and here, and I'm going to say that my range is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, quick review. Is this graph here, is it a function? The answer is no, because it does not pass the vertical line test at those 2 spots. Okay, that's domain and range of discrete functions, of functions with points. Really, really easy. Shouldn't be an issue. Okay? Now, look at this slide. This is going to be a quiz that you take on Monday. Okay? As soon as you walk in the door, this slide is going to be on the board, and you're going to have to take this quiz. So, you might want to study now if you were one of the smart kids that watched the video. See you Monday. Bye, guys.